guys, today is a very special day because it's my graduation day. Finally, magsusuot na tayo ng itim na toga. And nandito pa tayo na graduation sa PICC guys. O diba? Bongga ang first son. Nasa PICC ang graduation and graduate na sa BS Criminology. Thank you, Lord. So, ayan na nga ang first son. Anong ginagawa? Very busy.
Tara na, Arky!
Ayan na, preparing.
Ay work na si Mama.
Kita po. Kita.
Pero ano pong nakalagay sa may ticket ninyo? Kasi meron pong guest to tsaka guest.
Guest to. Basta malapit na siya. May daan dyan.
Meron po dito sir.
Ayun, doon.
Basta kon.
Sige po. Dito po ako sa dulo. For ano to, vlog to. Panoorin nyo to sa YouTube ha. Ayan, pagod na si ma'am. Di pa nagumpisa. Bumigay na yung paa. Kanino yung cellphone? Yung kanina? Yung video tayo, ganun. Kanino yung cellphone? Kay Mama Arbex. Ayan na guys. Today is our graduation day. Ayan guys. Nakapila na kami para sa processional. Yan ang mga BS cream. Yung mga nakamaroon ang ano nila, hood. Shh. Tingin kayo dito. Nagpapasaway. Uy, attendance. Attendance, sir. Sir, attendance.
Ma'am. Kumanda. Graduate ako, ma'am. Espiritu.
Go. Go. Sir. Uy. Sir. Ay, wala kayo. Hindi kayo kasali dito sa picture. Pang reels to. Uy, bilis na. Sir. Wala kayo. Hindi kayo makasali sa ano ko, yung channel. Kayla.
Nakapasok yung anak mo, ma'am?
Wala kayo. Ayun.
Hindi sinabi mo ano.
Asan si ano? Finally guys, nakagraduate na din ang mga first sons. Ayan, tapos na ang aming 1-year journey sa Itiap. Ngayon ang araw, it's the day, the big day na pinaka-aantay ng lahat. Panoorin mo sa YouTube Naku, di pa pala ako yung sinasubscribe. Tan tadadaan, 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 tadadaan. Wala pa yung tugtugan kasi malayo pa yan siya. Nandun pa yung tugtog sa doon pa sa pagpasok na. pinaka-last.
Ladies and gentlemen, please welcome the candidates for graduation from the graduate school. A round of applause, please. Doctor in Business Administration. Once again, the candidates for graduation from the graduate school. Doctor in Business Administration, PhD in Criminal Justice. Doctor of Philosophy in Educational Management. Bachelor of Science in Criminology. Once again, Bachelor of Science in Criminology. And now may we have Dr. Norman G. Nunez for the ETF program.
Candidates for graduation, please rise as I call your respective programs. Dr. Sipalo Campos, I have the honor to present to you the candidates for graduation for the Expanded Tertiary Education, Equivalency and Accreditation Program distributed as follows. 8 Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Financial Management. 384 Bachelor of Science in Business Administration, major in Operations Management. 35 Bachelor of Science in Criminology. For a total of 427 candidates. They have been recommended after having successfully completed all the requirements leading to their respective academic degrees and titles.
By virtue of the power vested upon me by the board of the Emilio Aguinaldo College under the authority of the Commission on Higher Education of the Republic of the Philippines, that has granted Emilio Aguinaldo College an autonomous status. As president, I hereby confer upon you the diploma for your respective degrees and titles, and all the rights, privileges, and responsibilities appertaining thereto. Congratulations. You may now transfer your tassels from the right to the left.
Thank you so much, Mr. President. You may now take your seats. Congratulations once again. Let us now proceed to the most anticipated part of this ceremony, the presentation of honors. Where
Karen Felices Arligue, Jovel Espiritu Bagasina, Arman J. Galang Bautista, Vinia Romero Bongolan, Aisa Espejo Bueno, Samuel Yadaw Camalia, Daniel Ayam Silva Castillo, Marvex Solano Castro, Israel Fresnoza de la Cruz, Richard Legazpi Estor. John Benedict Navarro Fabroa, Kyla Rimas Flores, Tessie Nanquil Galicia. Antonio Manio Hernandez, Ronel Labto Anapon, Ian Osias Hugo. Erwin Gabo Manungsong, Albert de Mesa Malion, Catherine Melio Kalaykay Mayol. Mark Anthony Niña Medallion, Carl Lloyd Tumulak Mupas, Lester Rubiso Mupas. L. John Cruz Murillo, Jumar Cervantes Omandak, Jeric Oliva Oniedo. Tessie Mausi Pacla, Zenica Jean Cristobal Regodos, Mary Antoinette Quijada Reyes, Dennis Pagal Rivero, Jacqueline Mercado Sabiano, Norilyn Ansing Salandron, Leia Olaw Sapiong, Mar Bangabanga Cervantes, Elmer Enguito Sumatra, and Jovelyn Bause Taboso. Congratulations.
Once again, congratulations to all our graduates. Thank you so much, Dr. Chang, Dr. Manli, to the deans, president, and the chairman of the board. Thank you so much.